Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss how to deal with customers on Fiverr. As a seller, you may encounter customers who are difficult to handle or who have specific demands. So, let's dive in and find out how to handle such situations. Communication is key. The first and foremost thing that you need to keep in mind is communication. Always be polite and friendly with your customers. Ask them questions to understand their requirements and explain to them how you can meet their needs. This will help you build a good rapport with your customers. Understand the customer's requirements. Once you know what the customer wants, it's important to ensure that you fully understand their requirements. Ask them to provide as much detail as possible so that you can provide them with an accurate quote and timeline. If you're unsure about any aspect of the job, ask questions until you have a clear understanding of what is expected. Set realistic expectations. Setting realistic expectations is essential in any business, and Fiverr is no exception. Be upfront about what you can and cannot do, and how long it will take you to complete the job. This will avoid any misunderstandings and help you manage your customers' expectations. Be responsive. Customers expect prompt responses, so make sure you're available to answer their questions and concerns. If you're going to be away from your computer for an extended period, let your customers know in advance. This will help you maintain a good relationship with your customers. Provide excellent customer service. Customer service is crucial in any business, and Fiverr is no exception. Make sure you deliver quality work on time, and be open to feedback. If a customer is unhappy with the work you've provided, be willing to make revisions until they're satisfied. This will help you build a good reputation on Fiverr and attract more customers. Stay professional. As a seller on Fiverr, it's important to maintain a professional demeanor at all times. Even if a customer is being difficult, it's important not to lose your cool or become defensive. Instead, stay calm and polite, and try to find a solution to the problem. Remember, your reputation on Fiverr is everything, and one negative review can have a significant impact on your business. Upsell your services. Once you've delivered quality work to a customer, it's an excellent opportunity to upsell your services. You can offer them additional services that complement the work you've done, or suggest other ways that you can help them with their business. This will not only increase your revenue but also help you build long-term relationships with your customers. Just make sure you don't come across as pushy or salesy, as this can have the opposite effect. Dealing with customers on Fiverr requires good communication, understanding of the customer's requirements, setting realistic expectations, being responsive, and providing excellent customer service. By following these simple tips, you can build a loyal customer base on Fiverr and grow your business. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.